Hey guys, welcome to Digital Digest, and in this video I'm going to show you how to connect Mailchimp with Wpforms. So to do that, first we'll go to Zapier.com. We're going to integrate these two apps with the help of Zapier. So now all you have to do is click on create a Zap and select your trigger. So our trigger will be Wpforms. Now select our event, click continue and sign in with your Wpforms account. I'm going to skip this for now, but you can see the instruction and sign in with the Wpforms. Now go to action and select your action, which will be Mailchimp. And now select your event, which is, let me select one. Now click on continue, sign in with the Mailchimp account, and then select your campaign. Click continue and then this action. I'm going to skip to this. Now all you have to do is publish it. That is how you can connect Mailchimp with Wpforms. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next one.